Okay guys, on January 22, 2023. Now this is our plant of trailing jade, or it is also called as senecio jacobseni. Now it is our 1 year old plant, and you can see that there is one offshoot cutting, and there is also one mother of million plant inside this. So we just remove mother of 1000 plant, okay, because this is a little bit invasive. You can see that it's a small plant that's used to come with air or wind and just deposited inside, okay. You can also see the stem. Now we will go and we will take cutting from this point, okay, or from this point. Yes, okay. Now we will take our scissor and we need to cut it out. Okay, now we can cut it out like this, okay, like this. Okay, now this is our first stem cutting. Now we will remove its lower leaves. Why this is so? Because when we put this stem cutting in the media, lower leaves will touch the media and will cause some sort of root rot or fungal infection. So it is better to remove these leaves out, okay. After this is done, we will go for our next stem cutting, and next stem cutting will be from this point. You can see this is surgical scissor, and obviously it is a little bit like more sharp than other scissors. Now we will also remove the lower leaves from this stem cuttings. Okay, now we done. Although I have tried its propagation from leaves, but even after the leaves used to take root, but in the last no results at all, no baby plant, okay. So I will try next time, but at this time we just got our 2 stem cuttings. Now we will keep it in shade. Now on January 31, 2023, my voice is dubbed on the video, okay. So now you can see that our stem cuttings are totally dried, and as it is the winter season, okay, temperature used to be like 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in the morning, or even below zero sometimes. Now you can see that I have a lot of drainage holes in the pots, and media also consists of simple sand and simple garden soil, okay. So we will mix this media thoroughly. I will mix this media thoroughly, and then we will put this inside the why we have added the sand? Because of the fact that sand will increase the drainage, while simple garden soil has some sort of clay content in it, so it will store or lock some sort of water, okay, and this water will then lead to the damage to the plant, to the roots of the plants, and also the fungal rot. Now our first pot has been filled with the media. Now this is the second disposable glass, and they are very cheap. If you want to grow the plants in bulk, then you can purchase them out. In Pakistan, the total price is just like $1 for 100, okay, for 100 disposable glasses, so they are relatively cheap. Now we will take third one, but I don't think, yeah, we will just take water, okay. We will just take water, because before planting the stem cuttings we need to water it thoroughly. Okay, now I am watering it with the help of our disposable glass, and now you can see that how much fast the drainage is. Like water do not used to sit inside, okay, or rather than it will come from the bottom, and it's good. It is called as better drainage. Okay, now we will just put these cuttings. And one more thing, succulent results is usually 99%, okay. If you keep them in good temperature and good humidity conditions, then obviously the result is from like 99 to 100%. So now we will keep them in shade. Okay, on April 18, 2023, means that after a lot of days has passed and now both of our cuttings has survived. Okay, the one cutting used to lose certain leaves first. It seems that it is totally dormant. It has changed the color from green to gray, to maroon gray, and now after this spring has arrived, now you can see, now we can see certain new growth, and also there is some good root ball. Now you can see that how much good roots are. Okay, now it is a perfect root bowl. Okay, so this is, and this plant seems to be a little bit like a Crassula ovata, but the reality is that it is senecio jacobseni. It belongs to senecio class, a little different from maybe from like Crassulaceae. And now this our second cutting. Both of the cuttings you can see. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can make or grow certain new plants of trailing jade with the help of stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.